My name is Brennan. I'm a tattoo artist and cycle touring nut. This is my best friend, Brian. This is Erin, the woman of his dreams. In summer 2017, after 5 years together, they got engaged. And they asked me to officiate for their wedding. It was a lot, working on the ceremony, getting ordained, making personalized wedding gifts. But the months slowly passed, and the bride and groom's side each prepared swords to exchange. And in September 2018, I loaded up my bike, Sleipnir, and set out from my home in Sioux City, Iowa, for their home in St. Paul, Minnesota. 310 miles in 4 days. And then the real excitement would start. This is what happened.
Like a stove to the valley floor, but that's the lowest land where I ever to stand, so I'll return there no more. Oh, I rose like a bird up above it all, but looking down from the clouds, and here's what I found: higher up is just a further to fall.
Go north, young man, it's the promised land.
But if my heart is at ease, it's the north on where I am. I like to stop in the middle, it holds me safe and sound. I tried up and down, I tried all around, but the only thing my lost heart has found is that the middle is the new northbound. I'm not saying don't battle, I'm not saying quit the fight, but with the roof over my head, good love, or in my bed, I can sleep sound at night. If in the morning I rise, I'll give a kiss to that love, and I'll call her the queen of my kingdom, between the low down hell and high up heaven above.
Go north, young man, it's the promised land.
But if my heart is at ease, it's the north on where I am. I like to stop in the middle, it holds me safe and sound. I tried up and down, I tried all around, but the only thing my lost heart has found is that the middle is the new northbound. I lived on both sides of the line, for the compass in my chest had me rambling round in circles, up right down till there's nothing left. Stop in the middle, it holds me safe and sound. I tried up and down, I tried, oh man, I just wanna be homeward bound. I like to stop in the middle, it holds me safe and sound. I tried up and down, I tried all around, but the only thing my lost heart has found is that the middle is the new north.
best friend in the whole wide world.
I love it, brother. Dude, I'm so happy you made it.
Me too.
Turn me up. It's that love below, speakers blown, bump you all been waiting for. Cocaine, I blow brains, Kurt Cobain with the metaphors. What a metaphor, she a bed of thorns, in a course with a predator. High, slow, fire, quick, high, goal require mix. This is inspired shit, something to ride to it. Puffin' cigars and raise a glass to the finer things. My posse sign a king, I say selective with my queens. No jokers on my team, with designer win.
Everything around us, every battle, war, or clash we may encounter. Boy, I'm deeper than that stash of marijuana in your Levi's. I'm divine, I'm way on top, you a B-side. I got a fat lip from them two girls that was kissing on me from each side. That's a far side reference, I'm in some off-white Pippins. I take my time with it, y'all be rushing like tall white women. Still broke, but I'm alright with it. So drunk that I'm gone like fishing. I was raised in the city, now I'm in your city and I'm on like shit. I feel like winning.
Hey, we winning. Top down, they see us grinning. Hey, we winning. That's how we living.
We winning. Yeah, we winning. Top down, they see me grinning. Hey, we winning. That's how.
Golden State, stepping like Stephen, come and play. I'm shape-shifting like clay.
Adapt and see another day.
Hey, survival of the fittest, revival of the illest. Back in 2003, they was reciting all my lyrics like Professor X on the throne. Don't let me enter my zone. Don't let me enter my zone, yo. Don't let me enter my zone. Woo, my attitude, gratitude. It's all wavy like Malibu. So even if I'm losing, do you know I can't be mad at you?
Rhyme acrobatic, flip the verse panoramic. Kick the door down and pack the backyard. Pack your basement and pack the attic. We gon' tear the roof off and act erratic. Back with this flame, crash landing your way. I'm dapped up like Captain Planet. Okay, you see me flip the game upside down, cause I started from the bottom. I don't fuck with 5-0, but you always see me copping medical. I'm ineffable, these fucking rappers look edible. My clarinet flow, cause I would win and never lose. I'm winning.
Hey, we winning. Top down, they see us grinning. Hey, we winning. That's how we living.
We winning. Yeah, we winning. Top down, they see me grinning. Hey, we winning. That's how we living.
Big days here. We're getting pretty excited. Spent the night with the groom last night. You feeling excited, man?
Oh, super excited.
He's getting there. It's gonna be a hell of a day. We've got a lot to get done in between now and when the bride does her walk down the aisle, so.
Where's John and Justin's suit?
Good question.
Candlesticks and battened hatches, deck of cards and waterproof matches. We'll sail on through the storm, come what may. We got all we need, no reason to be afraid. When the world's been raining, 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 cats and dogs. When the world's been flooding, flooding, all the dry land is gone. And all we got left is each other and this boat we're on. And now give a kiss and bat those lashes. And I'll check the knots and find where the flask is. Our clothes are warm, we'll stay warm, come what may. We've got all we need, no reason to complain. When the world's been raining, 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 cats and dogs. When the world's been flooding, flooding, all the dry land is gone. And all we got
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw and would like to see more, good news. I have more rides planned and I'm always looking for the next adventure. So please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Also, I'm going to recommend you all check out another travel vlogger at the end of these videos. Just a way to thank people who helped me realize how fun travel vlogging can be. So today I'm going to recommend you all check out Wander Like Water. There are a couple of cycle tourists from Texas who travel to various water sources to raise awareness of the challenges they face. That's awesome, and they work hard to make their videos fun and informative. I also want to take the opportunity to thank Brian and Aaron. Not just for letting me tell their story, but also for being who they are. A love like theirs is a true inspiration to the rest of us. May their days together be long and happy. I love both of you. Alright, that's all for now. Tailwinds, everybody.